Hello and welcome to Professor Kev Show. I got my buddy Christian with us from Navigate ED Solutions. Good afternoon, my friend. How you doing?
Hello, I'm doing well. How are you, Kevin?
Just living the dream, my friend. So jump in. Tell us a little bit about your business. How did it all come together? Why'd you start it?
Yeah, so Navigated Solutions came about really from my interaction with undocumented students and other students with different immigration statuses. I saw that there was a lack of support, at least in California, for access to higher education. And I know it looks very different across the states, but the students that I serve and the people that I work with are mostly California based. And so really it came about to support undocumented students and immigrant students with different immigration statuses to have access to resources and academic, social, financial, legal services to access higher education, as well as my own experience going through my undergrad at UCLA, my master's at the University of Redlands, and now as a PhD student, also going through the entire processes of enrolling and paying for school as an undocumented student. So I kind of take both my lived experience and also what I've learned from my academic programs to be able to support other immigrant students that need help as well.
So what are some of the challenges you helped them with, my friend?
Yeah, so I was able to gracefully go through my schooling debt free. I was able to pay for my entire degrees out of pocket, either through gigs that I've done or with scholarships. So that's where I come in with students who are struggling to pay financially. I'm able to provide them with hands-on scholarship workshops and resources to some of the scholarships that I was able to win myself. So they're, reputable, background checked resources that I can share with them. And then I also share with them and guide them through the writing process of the personal statement or the personal essay. I share with them some of the essays that got me a scholarship and those that didn't. And so they're able to also learn from my own work. But I guide them through their own pieces. So that's one element. The other element is that I also work with higher ed institutions in supporting their students as opposed to me meeting with them individually or on a group basis. And so what I do for institutions, I also provide technical solutions to update their websites and make it more inclusive for immigrant students. So by uploading resources onto their website, updating their design, um, I do different tech solutions like that with institutions to be able to make things more visible for students who are looking for resources.
So what's the future hope for your company? What are you hoping to accomplish, my friend?
I right now I'm actually working with a team on a developing a mobile app for iPhones and Androids where it will kind of behave kind of like Tinder, but for scholarships. So students can swipe right on scholarships and the algorithm will learn based on their how they identify, their background, their major, their income status, things like that. They will take into account and it will give a list of recommendations of scholarships. So I hope that the app gets developed within the next year. Right now, I'm in the process of kind of just doing the designing and some of the background work on that. Um, but yeah, so that would be my ultimate goal to do the app and use that as a way to pitch it to nonprofit organizations or higher ed institutions that support undocumented students, maybe like the Dream Resource Centers, or other states that don't have inclusive institutional policies for students. They can start there by downloading the app and giving that student the financial support that they need to be able to take classes at their institution.
So what's the best way for people to reach out to if they want to learn more, they want to get involved?
Yeah, they can reach out to me. I'm on LinkedIn. I can put in the chat on the chat the link so you can have that. But um, they can reach out to Christian at navigatedsolutions.com. And that's two E, so navigate ed solutions.com. And then also to my business number, and if haven't quite memorized it, so one second.
No problem. No.
Alrighty. So my work email for Navigated Solutions is 909-968-6784. I'll repeat it one more time. That's 909 968-6784. That's a California area code number.
Awesome. Christian, I appreciate you taking a few minutes calling to the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Thank you.